Another component of a load balancing configuration is with the health monitors, and that can be found under the server pool. So let's go to our HTTP server pool that we set up and go into the configuration. And here on the main page under health monitors, this will reflect the different monitors that we can set up with the servers in our pool. Now, simply put, health monitors is a mechanism that allows the BIG-IP appliance and the pool to check the availability of each server in the pool. Not only if the IP address is pingable, but if the application that is running on it is also reachable and working correctly. The web service itself, it could be down, or maybe the web service has crashed, where the service port is still listening on that port and will continue to operate, delivering pages that are not there. So you want to have a reliable way for the BIG-IP to check all servers to ensure that they are available to receive client requests. Now, when we set up our HTTP pool and the virtual server, we added the HTTP monitor, this right here, which would check if HTTP services is running on each server. So this is a default health monitor profile that we used. As a result, when we view our pool members, so let's go to members up here, you will see that all of our web servers and the HTTP services running on them are available, passing the health monitor checks that the BIG-IP will periodically do to each server. Now let's stop the web service on one of our web servers and let's see what happens. So here on web server 2, let's go ahead and stop this web service. Okay, that is done. Let's go ahead and move this aside. Let's refresh this page. So we'll just go up here and just refresh. All right, and doing that, you will see that web server 2 is no longer available to be used in this pool. That's because the HTTP service is offline, even though the server is still reachable. As a result, web server 2 will not be load balanced or receive client requests. So let's test this out by running 100 connections again to our web farm. Okay, that completed. Let's view our pool statistics page. So we'll go up here to statistics, module, statistics, local traffic, and let's select pools for the type. Okay, and there you will see 100 total connections that we made to this pool. And each server, with the exception of web server 2, has received around 33 connections. Now let's activate the web service again on web server 2. Let's do start. Okay, that service is started. So now let's refresh our list of pool members. And you'll see that web server 2 is back online and available to accept client requests. So let's run another 100 connections just to be sure that everything is still working. Okay, there's our connection running. Okay, that completed. So let's refresh our stats again. And now you will see that web server 2 is receiving connections once more. When a server in a pool goes offline or online for that matter, all of that will be stored in the logs on the BIG-IP appliance. So let's go to the log page, which is located under System. Then let's go to Logs, then to Local Traffic. Okay, and let's go to the last page in our logs to view the most recent. Okay, and there you will see that web server 2 went down, and that information is located right here. That web server 2 went down, and of course you see when it came back up. That web server 2 came up, so we can even see how long it was down and how long it was up for. So in our case, it was up for about 1 hour, then it went down, and it was only down for about almost 2 minutes.